Jasper, Jasper, come and say hello to everybody. Come and say hello. Come and say hello, show them how big you're growing. Hi everyone. Well, this is an update with Jasper. I'll show you a clip with him when he was a little bit younger than this, laying up on my shoulder but up under my neck and hair, having a sleep. And I think that was roughly taken a week before this particular video, if not a little bit longer than that. But as you can see, he is drinking just fine, all on his own. He no longer requires his milk, which I'll put a photo in for you to see. I used to put a little bowl thing in there for him so he could lick the milk up all by himself, which he got good at doing. It took a little while, of course, to have that happen. There he runs. Hey dude, come up to mum. Come up to mum. Come and say hello. No, he says I'm going down. Going down. He was on his own for a good week, or not quite a week in here, maybe about 5 days, and I was really sad for him, though I have to say he slept a lot. I'm going to open up this part, so this can be a bit tricky. I really am looking at getting, of course, another cage, because it's so terrible, this one, if I were trying to get in and clean, which I'm going to do today, actually, is clean it all, put fresh newspaper in, though I do have some hemp bedding, which I'm hoping is arriving today, although I think it's a DHL, so it may not. But anyway, I bought a paper shredder, of course, so I could do it. Sorry for the light. I will actually turn on the big light, so we might be able to see them a little bit better. So he does have a friend. Of course, I'm talking see them at this particular point. I did try feeding a pony last night, talking about a snake, and he didn't eat again. I tried him with a mouse. I tried him with a smaller feeder. I tried him with a little bit bigger feeder, but he was still not interested. Jasper is down there hiding under the toy box, you could call it. Now, I do know, they're highly intelligent, very smart rats. So I am going to attempt to train them. They're a little bit little at this point to be learning too much, but to put their toys away, to bring their toys out to play with them, but they have to learn to put them away, and I do know that they can. Now, I do have a food bowl there, but I do also flick the pellets all over into their newspaper, and you might be able to see just there is another rat. So yes, I've ended up with 3 rats. Yeah, I was getting one, and I got a younger one, of course, going by size for Jasper, who is a tiny little fellow for his age. So I ended up bringing home virtually a 4-week-old who is weaned, of course. The lady doesn't normally do that. She likes them to be about 6 weeks old, which I know Otis, who is up the top, to be that age. And if he comes out, which I hope he will, you will just see the size difference. And I believe that Jasper is like 5 odd weeks old. Now you can see Juno, who is that at least a week or so younger than Jasper, is even bigger than Jasper. So Otis is not being in the mood to come on out. Are you going to come out? I'm going to move this blind thing because of him. Oh, what are you doing, Otis? What are you doing, big boy? And he is the big boy of the bunch, and ultimately why I ended up getting him, because dynamic wise, even though 2 is really good, they say 3, the dynamics work a whole lot better. So they've settled in really well. The new ones. Jasper had already settled in really well. He is currently in his kitty litter tray, rat litter tray, because I am training them that is where they need to go when they need to go to the toilet. Oh, and here is Juno, who looks very much the same colour as what Jasper is, and Jasper will darken up, but Juno is classified as champagne. And yes, my little man Jasper is darkening, and he does have pigmentation going on. I don't know where he is. Where did you go? Now how are you going to get down? See, he thinks, oh, good boy, keep going. Well done. He's not as agile as Juno and of course Otis, who is slowly coming out. Otis, my boy, are you coming? Otis. No, he's not. He's not. Now he will come out and he will run out and jump out and come out up on my shoulder and then scuttle back into the cage. But him and Jasper. Juno, of course, is, do you want to hop down? Do you want to hop down? Of course you do. Of course you do, Jasper. Oh, and it gets hard to film him when he decides to jump up on my shoulder. Hey, little man. Hey, can people see you? Can people see you? I don't know, because I can't see. Oh, I should flip the screen. Oh my goodness. And no, I'm not getting up at, there he goes. Oh, now he's going back up. Oh my goodness, make up your mind. Make up your mind, dude. Which one is it? Are you coming out? Are you going to come out with Mum? Hey, you can come out solo? Oh. Oh, no, you don't want to. You want to go up there? But then how do you get down? How are you going to get down? Do you think you can climb up there? And I'm trying to watch Justin and Chris, but it's very easy to get sidetracked with these guys. I can't help myself. I spend so much time watching them. Like, more than anything, I watch them. Whoa. See what I mean? He's still not very agile, and I still have to give Jasper a helping hand every now and again to get where he wants to go or get off something that he's decided to climb on and he can't get back down from it. They nap a lot. I have to say that they do sleep a lot. Don't you? You still do? Playing, and sleeping, eating and pooping. And every now and again I hear Jasper. It's always Jasper who has a little cry because somebody is being rough, you could say. Not doing any damage, of course, to Jasper at all. And I'm of course a softie for Jasper because he's my baby and will always be my baby. Hi, Juno, of the bunch. And what's in there? There's your toys. Well, some of your toys are in there, and I'm sure you can jump out. Very clever. See what I mean? It's about, I could sit and watch them and watch them and watch them. And I just keep watching them late into the night. They come out at night and they want to play, and I can't resist the playtime. It's impossible to ignore them. I can't ignore them. Yeah, I just can't. I think they're incredible, and they are 3 boys. I did not get any girls because no, I'm not going to breed them. And it's, you know, I'm already thinking ahead in terms of, oh, here's Juno. Here's my Juno. Are you right, darling? Hey, Juno is still very, very, very shy. He looks very much like Jasper, but of course Jasper is way, way smaller than him. Not way smaller, but certainly a smaller boy to what Juno is. So, come on, bub. Come on. Mum's over here. I'm over here. You too, Juno. Hey. So, you know, I could keep the camera rolling and just keep showing you all their antics and what they're doing. And of course, Otis hasn't come out, which is normally he does when the 2 little ones start actually playing and doing their thing in here, because he's a bit of the bossy boots. Hey, you going to chew the camera? Because that's all you guys tend to do, is it not? You will chew the camera if you could. So I do need to get an enclosure that is double doored so I can open the whole thing out, and that way I can get in. This is a bird cage, and with 3 rats in it, it really does not work very well. So I have found one online. They're out of stock at the moment, so I will wait for them to come back into stock, and until then I will just do Juno, no chewing the knobs, no doing anything that you shouldn't do. Hey, and you're just drinking and drinking and drinking. Yeah. So, chew toys. Lots of chew toys. lots of hammocks for them to jump in and go to sleep. And there is one down below, but it's more about a plaything that they run in and jump out of and so forth. But they love being up in the top level of all their hammocks at this particular point. And Jasper is very much a bit of a Otis's friend, likes to sleep with Otis, likes to be with Otis, possibly because Otis is the big boy. Here comes Juno, running, and run they sure can. So anyway, like I said, before this goes on and on and on, thank you for watching, and I will keep you updated with the guys. I am contemplating doing a completely separate channel for my 3 boys here. Let me know what you think. Would you be interested in me doing a separate channel just related to the rats? Yeah, they kind of go with the snakes, but in a negative way, do they not? Then yeah, and it's very hard for me now to get a little one out, especially of the size of, say, Jasper. It tugs at my heartstrings when I get one out of the freezer. I think they've all... Oh, well, Jasper's still kind of going over there. He's going in and out of the actual hammock, and now he's climbing up the side because he does think that he's a darn big boy now and can do those things. So it's been lovely talking to you. I will talk to you again soon, but let me know. Do I do a separate channel for these little cutie pies who just keep me constantly entertained, and I don't really get very much of anything else done, people? So there they live, right there. Here I sit, here I watch, or try to. I try to watch. Here are all my snakes. Lily. Lily, 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 Lily. It's right down there. I've got to check her nose because in her, like I want to come out, but I was going out, she has rubbed her nose on the top, not on the point of her nose. So I've been putting vitamin E on that. Like I said, they're all around us. Nope, no problem with the snakes, and no problems with the birds. Juno, where did you go? In the litter bowl. Because it's fun to play in the kitty litter too, isn't it? Hey, is it fun in there? Okay, guys. Ciao. Take care. Please take care of yourself. So important. These little guys sure got me up and running and back on my feet after being so unwell for quite a while. So animals really do. You know, don't get me wrong, my snakes too are everything to me. But getting and focusing on Jasper, all you can see is his little butt and his little balls. Like, that's what you're going to see with boy rats is, yeah, it's those little balls hanging down from the side. Hey Juno. Or from the back, not from the sides. That would be rather funny too. I'm going. Bye.